will talk about odd numbers and even numbers. What is the meaning of odd numbers? What's the meaning of even numbers? How could I know this number is odd or even? All of this we will talk about. But first, let's start with counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We will know today each one of these numbers is odd number or even number and why. Let's start with even numbers. What's the meaning of even numbers? Even numbers are numbers that can be divided into two equal groups. Again, number I can divide it into two equal groups. Or we have another easy definition. It can be grouped by twos. What's the meaning of grouped by twos, lady? Even numbers like to have a friend, like to have a partner. So if you have a number and you can make groups of two friends together, it's an even number. Let's see the first example we have. Do you know what this number? Yes, 0. And 0 means nothing. If I want to divide number 0 into two equal groups, I will have 0 in this group and also 0 in this group, nothing here and also nothing here. So 0 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, even number. I can divide it into two equal groups. So 0 is an even number. Another number, do you know what this number? Yes, number 2. I have here 1, 2 dogs. Now I want to know number 2 is an even number or an odd number. How could I know? Yes, I will try to make groups of 2. I will put each two friends together to make a group. Let's try. Yes, I can make a group of 2 from number 2. So number 2 is an even number. Another number? What is number? 4. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have here 4 elephants. Now I want to know number 4 is an odd number or an even number. How could I know? Yes, let's try to make groups of 2. I have group of 2 here, another group of 2 here. So number 4 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 4 is an even number. Another one. What is number? Yes, number 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I have number 6 and I want to know it's an odd number or an even number. How could I know? Yes, let's make groups of 2. I have group of 2 here, another group of 2, and another group of 2. All the frogs are happy because each one has a partner or a friend to play with. So number 6 is an even number. Another one. What is number? 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I have here number 8. I want to know number 8 is an odd number or an even number. Let's try to make groups of 2. I have group of 2, another group of 2, and another group of 2. So number 8 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, even number, because I can make groups of 2 friends. So now, let's revise together our even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. One more time, our even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. If you look at here carefully, you will find that even numbers look like you are counting by twos. Let's start counting by twos. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And also the even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So it's the same. It's a trick. Be careful. Now, let's start with odd numbers. What's the meaning of odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided into two equal groups. Again, odd numbers, I cannot divide it into two equal groups or can't be grouped by 2. What this mean, lady? Odd numbers, you can't make groups of 2. You will always find one friend, sad, alone, without any friends to play with. Let's see an example. What is number? Yes, number 1. And how many snails I have here? Only one snail. Okay, I have here one snail. How can I make group of 2 with only one snail? Of course I can make a group of 2. I have here one snail left, sad, without any friends. So, number 1 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, odd number. I have sad friend here. So, number 1 is an odd number. Let's see another one. What is number? Yes, number 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now, I want to find out number 3 is an odd number or an even number. How could I know? Let's try to make groups of 2. I have group of 2 here. Uh-oh, I can't make another group of 2. I have here only one sad cat left without any friends to play with. And when I see one friend alone, it's odd number or an even number? Yes, it's odd number. Another number? What is number? Yes, number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have here 5 birds, and I want to find out number 5 is an odd number or an even number. Let's try to make groups of 2. Group of 2 here. Another group of 2, and oh my god, I can't make another group of 2. I have here one sad bird alone without any friends. And when I see one alone friend, it's odd number or an even number? Yes, it's odd number, sad number. So number 5 is odd number. What is number? Number 7, yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now I want to find out number 7 is an odd number or an even number. Let's try to make groups of 2. Group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2. Uh-oh, I can't make another group of 2. I have only one fish here left alone without any friends. And when I see sad friend alone, so it's odd number or an even number? Yes, odd number. So number 7 is an odd number. The last number we have here, what is number? Yes, number 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I have here 9 lines. And I want to know number 9 is an odd number or an even number. How could I know? Yes, let's try to make groups of 2. One group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2, and another group of 2. Can I make one more group of 2? No, I have here one line left, sad, alone without any friends. And when I see one alone friend, so it's odd number or an even number? Yes, odd number. So now, let's revise together. Our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. One more time. Our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, now let's revise together from 0 to 9. Which number is odd number and which number is even number? Our even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this is what about one-digit numbers. All of these numbers are one-digit number. How could I know it's odd number or even number? As I told you, even number I can make groups of 2 by it. But odd numbers I will find one friend alone without any friend. Now, what about the numbers more than 9? How could I know this number is an odd number or an even number? It's more than 9. It's 2-digit look at once. What? Again, look at once. You can know it like a song. Two-digit numbers, look at once. Two-digit numbers, look at once. Okay, the first number I have here is number 10. Number 10, more than 9. I have here two-digit numbers. Okay, I have two-digit numbers here. How could I know number 10 is odd number or an even number? Look at once. Two-digit numbers, look at once. And which number I have here in ones? Yeah, 0. Do you remember I told you 0 is an odd number or an even number? Yeah, 0 is an even number. So, if you found the number in ones is even number, so all the number will be even number. One more time. If you found the number in ones is even number, all the number will be even. Okay, lady, what about I found the number in ones is odd number, so all the number will be odd number. Let's see another example. What's this number? 20. 2 besides 0 make number 20. Okay, 20 more than 9. It consists of two-digit numbers. How could I know it's odd number or even number? Look at ones. Two-digit numbers, look at ones. Which number I have here in ones? Yes, 0. And 0 is odd number or even number? Even number. So, 20 is odd number or even number? Of course, even number, because the number in ones is even, so all the number will be even number. And so on, KG. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. All these numbers more than 9, and all these numbers consists of two-digit numbers or more, so look at ones. And the number in ones in all these numbers, 0. And 0 is even number. So when you found in ones, number even, so you would say all the number is even number. Is that clear for you? Okay, so when you find any number from these numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, when you see it, you will say, this number is even number or odd number? Yes, even number. Let's see another example here. I have here 4 numbers consists of two-digit numbers or more. And now I want you to help me to see which number is odd number and which number is even number. What is number? 25. And 25 consists of two-digit numbers. Okay, as I told you, our song, two-digit numbers, look at ones. Let's look at ones. Which number do you have here in ones? Yes, number 5. Okay, do you remember number 5 is odd number or even number? Amazing, odd number. So, when you find number in ones is odd number, so all the number will be an odd number. So, 25 is odd number because I have number 5 in ones and number 5 is odd number. Let's move to another number here. What is number? 52. Now I want to find out 52 is an odd number or an even number. Let's find out. Okay, 52 is a two-digit number. Our song is two-digit numbers, look at ones. And the number in ones here is number? Yes, 2. And do you remember number 2 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 2 is an even number. So when I found even number in ones, so all the number will be even number. So 52 is even number. Let's see this number here. What is number? 86. Okay, two-digit numbers, look at ones. And which number you have here in ones? Number 6. Okay, do you remember number 6 is an odd number or an even number? Amazing, even number. So when I found in ones even number, so all the number will be even number. The last number we have here, what is number? Yes, 15. And 15 is two-digit numbers? Yes, two-digit numbers. Look at. Amazing. Ones. Which number we have here in ones? 15. Yes, 5 is ones. Okay, so number 5 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, odd number. So when I found odd number in ones, all the number will be an odd number. Is that clear for you, KG? Okay, KG, now let's solve our sheets. The first sheet we have, you will count the number of shapes, write the number, and then circle it's an odd number or an even number. Let's start with the first one we have here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have here 5 stars. And who can tell me, I told you number 5 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 5 is an odd number. But let's make sure that number 5 is an odd number. Let's make groups of 2. I have group of 2 here, another group of 2 here. Oh my God, I have here one sad friend alone without any friends. And when I see a lonely friend, we say it's an odd number or an even number? Yes, it's an odd number. Let's see another one here. Let's count how many circles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I have here 8 circles. Okay, now who can tell me number 8 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 8 is an even number, but let's make sure. Let's try to make groups of 2. I have group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2, and another group of 2. Oh wow, here I have all groups of 2. There is no sad friend here. It's 2 friends together are playing, so it's an even number. Let's see another one here. Let's count how many shapes I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I have here 9 rectangles. Okay, and I want you to tell me number 9 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, odd number, but let's make sure. Let's try to make groups of 2. I have group here, another group of 2, and another group of 2. Oh my God, can you see this sad friend alone without any friends? When I see a sad friend, it's an odd number or an even number? Yes, odd number. So number 9 is an odd number. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have here 4 squares. Okay, who can tell me number 4 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 4 is an even number. But let's make sure. Let's try to make groups of 2. One group here, another group here. Wow, all the friends are happy. There is no one alone here. All 2 friends together making a group. So number 4 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, it's an even number. Let's see here. Let's count how many triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have here 6 triangles. Okay, now I want to know number 6 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, I told you number 6 is an even number. But let's make sure and make groups of 2. One group here, another group here, and another group of 2 here. So all the friends are happy. There is no one alone here. So number 6 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, it's an even number, happy number. Let's count the last one we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have here 7 shapes. And I want to ask you, number 7 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 7 is an odd number. But as usual, let's make sure by making groups of 2s. One group of 2, another one, another group, and I have here one sad friend alone. When I have one friend alone without any friends to play with, so it's an odd number or an even number? Yes, it's an odd number. So let's make circle around odd. And here we have another sheet. I have here numbers consist of one-digit number or two-digit numbers. I want you to help me. It's an odd number or an even number and make circle. First number we have oldest number. Yes, number 7. And do you remember number 7 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 7 is an odd number. So let's make circle around odd. What's this number? 18. Excellent. And 18 is two-digit numbers? Yes, and our song is two-digit numbers. Look at ones. Amazing. And which number here in ones? Amazing. Number 8. And number 8 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 8 is an even number. And as I told you, when you found even number in ones, so all the number will be even. Excellent. So 18 is an even number because we have even number here in ones. Okay, what is number? 50. Excellent. And 50 is more than 9? Yes, it consists of two-digit numbers. Yeah, so two-digit numbers. Look at ones. Excellent. Which number I have here in ones? 0. And 0 is an odd number or an even number? Excellent. It's even number. So when I have even number in ones, all the number will be even number. Okay, another number here. 25. Excellent. 25 is two-digit numbers. Yes, two-digit numbers. Look at ones. Which number I have here in ones? Number 5. So I have here number 5 in ones. And number 5 is an odd number or an even number? Yes, number 5 is an odd number. So I have odd number here in ones. All the number will be odd or even? Yes, odd number. Amazing. The last one, KG, is number 93. Okay, 93 is two-digit numbers? Yes, two-digit numbers. Look at ones. Which number I have here in ones? Number 3. So, and number 3 is an odd number or an even number? Odd number. So when I have odd number in ones, all the number will be odd or even? Amazing, KG. Odd number. So, KG, today we talked about odd numbers and even numbers. Even numbers is a number I can divide it into two equal groups, or it can be grouped by twos. Happy numbers. It's two partners, it's two friends together playing. But odd numbers are sad numbers. When you try to make groups of two, you will find always one friend sad alone without any friend to play with. And we say that even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And this is about one-digit numbers. And as I told you, when you have two-digit numbers, look at ones. If you have even number in ones, all the number will be even. Or if you have odd number in ones, all the number will be odd number. So, KG, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.